Great morning students. Dear students, in my previous video I explained you the decimals, about decimal, compare the decimal, arrange them in ascending and descending order. Now in this exercise number 41, we learn how to add the decimal. So let us restart. Our question number 1 is add these decimals. You have to given the decimals in column method and we have to add them. Firstly, we write from this starting because this in the column wise the decimals addition is very easy. So let us restart. 7 plus 5 that is equal to 12. 1 carry, we write it here. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11, then 1 carry, we write it here. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 8 12, then 2 and 1 carry, then 4 plus 1 that is equal to 5. Now our answer becomes 52.12. Clear this one? Now we add the decimals when you have to given the decimal in horizontal way. Horizontal way में आपको firstly you have to arrange the decimals in column wise. Column wise arrange करना है तो column wise arrange करने के लिए firstly we have to convert the decimal into like decimal. Like decimal में convert करेंगे. So we write here convert into like decimal. In my previous video, I explained you that how to convert the decimals into like decimal. Here we see after decimal we have 1 digit, here is a 2 digit, here is 3 and here is a 2 digit. Now we see here the maximum digit after decimals are 3. So we have to write all these decimals having 3 digits after decimal. So let us restart. We write it here 1.900. This number is a 19. So we write here 19 as it is 390. Next number is the 109. So we write it here 0.899. Next number is the 919.99. We have to convert them into 0 here. 0 यहाँ पर write down कर दिया. Now we start to add these numbers. अब जो इनका एडिशन है, एडिशन में यहाँ पर साइड में राइट डाउन करूंगी. I write it here the addition. So let us restart. 0 plus 0 plus 9. In this line we see there we have the only one digit that is 9. So we write it here. Now the next 9 plus 9 18 plus 9 27. 27 का 7 आ गया. 2 कैरी. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 3 11 plus 3 is a 14. 14 plus 8 22. 22 plus 9 that is equal to 31. तो 1 यहाँ पर आ गया और 3 आपका कैरी हो गया. 9 plus 1 10. पहले यहाँ से एडिशन कर लीजिए. 9 3 टाइम्स आया है तो 9 3 जा 27. 27 plus 3 30. 30 plus 1 31. Then 3 carry. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. And then 9 plus 1 that is equal to 10. Now our answer becomes 1051.179. This is our answer. Clear this one? Now we do the next question. Now in question number 3 we have to find the sum. Sum का मतलब ये होता है कि we have to add the number. Now again we have to given all these numbers are in horizontal line. Horizontal में line में जब भी आपके numbers given होंगे, firstly you have to convert them into like decimal. So we write here convert into like decimal. Like decimal में convert करने के लिए firstly we have to check the digits after decimal. Here is 1 digit, here is 2, here is 3 and 1. So maximum digits are 3. So we have to convert all these decimals in 3 digits having after decimal. So we write it here 175.6 1 digit है तो 2 digit और बनानी है. So we write here 0. Now the next number is 86.54. 1 digit is left, so we put 0. Next number is 245.356. 7.8. Only 1 digit is given, so we convert using 2 digits and we convert them into like decimal. Now our question is ready. In column wise, only we have to add this number. In this column we have only the 6 number, so we write here 6. Then 4 plus 5 is 9. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 3 14. 14 plus 8 22. 22 में 2 यहाँ पर आ गया and your 2 is a carry on. Now the addition 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 5 18. 18 plus 7 25. Then 2 carry. 2 plus 7 9. 9 plus 8 17. 17 plus 4 that is equal to 21. Now 2 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. Now our answer becomes 515.296. Clear this one? Now I hope you understand how we add the decimals when you have to given the decimal in a horizontal line. Now we start to do the difference questions, यानी कि subtraction के question अब हम learn करें. Now we start our question number 4 and in this question we learn find the difference. Difference means होता है subtraction. Now you have to given the number in a column wise. Column wise में only we have to do the subtraction in a simple way. Here is 0 and here is 3. So we are not able to subtract these numbers. So we have to carry a number. borrow लेंगे. borrow लेने के बाद यहाँ पर number 10 हो जाएगा. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Now here is number 9. 9 minus 2 7. Here now your number is 3 and when it gives it 1 borrow, then the number becomes 13. 13 minus 6 that is equal to 7 and 7 minus 3 that is equal to 4. Now our answer becomes 47.77. Now we do one more question of this type. Here the number is a 4. 4 में से 5 subtract नहीं हो सकता, so we have to take borrow from this number. Now this number is 0 and this number is a 14. 14 minus 5 that is equal to 9. 0 में से 6 नहीं जा सकता, so we take borrow from this. Now this number becomes 10. 10 minus 6 that is equal to 4. Again we take borrow. This number becomes 12. 12 minus 7 that is equal to 5. Again this number need to borrow. तो borrow होकर यहाँ पर 4 आ गया, यहाँ पर 15 बन गया. 15 minus 8 that is equal to 7. Again we have to take the borrow. Then 14 minus 7 that is equal to 7. And this one comes here. Now our answer becomes 177.549. Clear this? Now we learn how to subtract the number when the numbers are given a horizontal way. Now in question number 5, we have to subtract the number. Here number is given in a horizontal way and we have to given 7.83 from 21.7. When we subtract the number, firstly we write the number after from. From के बाद यहाँ पर number है 21.7. But these numbers, these decimals are not like decimal. So firstly we convert them into like decimal. तो देखिए यहाँ पर 2 digit है and here is only a single digit. तो firstly we write this number 21.7. Here is 2 digit, so we write here 1 0. Now we write this number 7.83. Now we have to subtract the number. Now it is a simple question. We take borrow. Now here number is 6 and here is 10. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. 6 में से 8 नहीं जा सकता. We take borrow. Here is 16. 16 minus 8 that is equal to 8. 0 में से 7 नहीं जा सकता. We take borrow. 10 minus 7 that is equal to 3, and now the number becomes 1. Now our answer becomes 13.87. Clear this one? Now in question number 6 we have to given find the difference. अब देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में और इस क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पर सब्ट्रैक्ट है, जिसमें आपको गिवन है यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस नंबर फ्रॉम दिस नंबर. ये कंडीशन गिवन है कि इस नंबर में से आपको ये वाला नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. बट हियर द कंडीशन इज दैट यू हैव टू ओनली सिंप्लीफाई डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. तो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दैम इनटू लाइक डेसिमल. हियर इज अ सिंगल 1 digit, here is a 2 digit. In this question, because we have to given the subtraction symbol, so we write this number as it is 207.3. After putting 1 0 here, we convert them into like decimal, and here we write 198.86. Now we start to subtract the number. 10 minus 6 4. ये 10 हो गया, ये 2 है. 2 में से 8 नहीं सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकते, so we take borrow. 12 minus 8 that is equal to 4. Now we take borrow from here. Now this number is 16. 16 minus 8 that is equal to 8, and this number becomes 9, and this number becomes 1. 9 minus 9 that is equal to 0, and 1 minus 1 that is also 0. Now also we check the answer. 6 plus 4 10, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13, 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 17, then 1 carry 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry 1 plus 1 2. Now we check it and we see that our answer become 8.44. Clear this one? Now I hope you understand that how to add the decimal and how to subtract the decimal. Thank you and have a nice day.